Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rifan Miraji, NPM 1007 0221057. How to make kits from bamboo. Kits are one of the favorite toy ranging from children, teenagers to adults. Not only in Indonesia, kids toys are also played in neighboring countries. In fact, kits are often used as festival. The popularity of kits to the unique manufacturing process and does not cost much and more uniquely. Kids as when gets to be able to play. With the times, kits have different shapes, but still as the shapes material there are only a few additions such as cushion components that can make the kits look more beautiful. At first, kits have a normal or standard shape such as the wheel shape of a kit. Although it has a simple shape, the manufacture of kits is rather complicated because it requires careful calculation. So that's when flown. Is it is not based or Japanese. Not afraid, here is the process of making a simple kit from bamboo that you can try yourself at home. Materials needed. 1. Prefer to dim bamboo blades with a width of 1 centimeter. The length of bamboo can be adjusted to the size of the kits you want to make. If you are still confused, you can prefer one thin bamboo blade measuring 40 centimeter and one thin bamboo blade measuring 60 centimeter. 2. Special paper to make kits or can be called paper miang kit. The size can be what you want. 3. Thread or rope to be used to tie both bamboo blades. 4. A rather thick roll tape. 5. Measuring instrument or meter. 6. Scissors and adhesive or insulation. Step in making kits. 1. The two bamboo blades are placed in a crossed fashion, however, not crossing the tips in the middle. Short bamboo blades are placed on the somewhat upper part of the long bamboo blades. 2. So that bamboo is strong and not easy to move around. Tie the two bamboo on the crossed parts using reverse taguti. 3. Tie the thread at the end of the bamboo so that it will form like a diamond. 4. After completion or after the frame is finished, then you place the kit's frame on the paper that you have prepared. Oil paper. 6. Draw the pattern of the shape of the kit's frame by using markers on oil paper to have a suitable size and actually format. 6. Give a distance of 2 to 2.5 cm from the edge line on the oil paper. Do not use the exact size on the frame. 7. Cut the parts that has been drawn using a marker by forming a kit's frame pattern. 8. Then with of the rest of the paper that you exit. folded first through the thread until the kit is formed from the paper or until the entire frame of the kit is covered by oil paper. Next, to be stronger, you add insulation to the paper parts attached to the kit's frame. Tins well finished on the parts of the matching of the bamboo frame in a cross section. Make a hole on both sides of the paper, namely to the right and left of the paper. 11. Insert the string in the hole, then tie the strings to the kit's frame. 12. Below the midpoint of about 6 to 8 centimeter. Make a hole. In this section, you can adjust the size of the kits you make. 13. Make sure can hook the thread from the midpoint to the hole you made below the midpoint. 14. Before being flown, balance the kits so that while flying does not spread. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.